Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I shot a yes welder video here at the shop not long ago, and now this has become my mess to deal with, all because of the one car here. So we now have to find a home for all this stuff, so let's take a gander at what we can do. This is a nice candidate for storage. And we've started removing things from it, but I've also started falling in love with it. Nice little Red Westy. A little too solid to be used as a storage unit, I think. Might have to add it to the collection. It'll go well because, you know, it totaled out my Dodge truck. It rolled off.
That was your fault.
Yeah, that part the truck too close to it.
Yeah. You weren't even here.
Yeah, I think it's...
So here I am cleaning out the 71 Westy, the red rocker, and all of a sudden DubWerks starts realizing how solid it is, and now apparently this joker wants to buy it.
I want it. Yeah. Yep.
What's your offer, buddy?
What do we gotta be?
Let's talk. You know we got no interest payments.
I'll get $1.50 and an ice cream cone.
Jim Dandy.
I mean, you know, the door wasn't closing too nicely
No.
before.
Deluxe doors.
Yeah.
You think you can save it?
I think I can save it. I can save anything with
All right.
you know, bubble gum and fiberglass.
Make me an offer. These people are waiting.
We'll get $500 for it. Fantastic.
Sold. Congratulations.
Great. Well, I'm happy now.
And I get to store all my stuff
until
until you actually work on it.
Right.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And I don't have to deliver it.
Nope, it's already here in the lot.
Oh no, it has out-of-state paperwork. That means I got to do a VIN check on it. Oh dear. At least it rolls. I freed up the brakes. All right. Well, there you have it.
Great.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, and I got to get rent because it's parked in the lot.
Yep. Lot payment.
Look at that. It's even got the sweet VW
Yeah,
JC Whitney.
Super.
All right.
Sun glare.
Congratulations.
I'm so happy now.
Now I can go buy things.
Yep.
I love selling cars to this kid. He's responsible. Very responsible. Got a little bit of a steering issue going on there, buddy.
I need an alignment.
What do you need a chainsaw for? Give that one to Musty.
Alright guys, so let's see what we got ourselves into. It's a 71 Westy, which to some would be the holy grail. But it's extremely solid looking. I mean, the door slid all on its own. Back here, didn't even fall off once. And I can stand in it, which is a super bonus. Little hunkies back there, but you know. Like he said, a little steering issue. But I have a nice soft spot in my heart for 71s. Because that was my first bus. We do have an engine that has been converted to fuel injection. And I've never seen that, and I'm intrigued by it. It might not stay fuel injected, but it is cool nonetheless. Some dude smashed it into my truck, broke my plow frame, so it's gonna have to be discounted off the price. Body work, 3 hours at $75 an hour. But it is a beaut. Needs a little metal work, but it has all its VIN numbers intact. Should be no problem in the DMV. I have to decode the M plate back there. It's got some parts in it that he'll be taking, but I haven't really looked underneath it yet to see how punky it is. It rolls. Let's see. This is gonna have belly pants, so it's gonna be a little difficult to see. But I mean, it's not terrible. You've seen my bus. This is like a walk in the park compared to it. Floor's not terrible, needs, you know, repair. Better than my bus. Yep. April 1990. Cool antenna. This will be getting a CB radio. We'll be ditching that. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool bus. Oh, front frame might need some work. Back here will work too. That's no biggie. I happen to know someone with the body service manual for this beast, with all the measurements he needs to repair it. So, and we got some cool stuff last year for the Volkswagen script, I think. Maybe 72 was. Cool sticker that's gonna have to get removed when I paint it. We'll ditch that. But, and there's some parts hanging about, so that'll be cool. I'm very excited for this to sit here for a year and a half before I do anything. But nonetheless. Alright guys, so that's the Westy. Very exciting. A lot of things happened with the purchase of this vehicle. We got this cleaning shop now. Jay's gonna get $500 in 3 years with no interest, so he'll be happy one day. It's all nice and open for projects to get done. All his stuff's in the bus. All the stuff's moved around and shuffled, and welders are put away, and good stuff. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you think of the 71 Westy in the comments. If you think it was a good deal or a bad deal. But anyway, that's going to do it for me. So take care guys, and I will see you in the next one.